Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Squarespace, how to create and customize a website on Squarespace for eco-friendly and sustainable products business, easy and quick. So first type Squarespace on the search. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know how to code. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So first of all, you can get started from here. You can create your website, easy to edit website templates, no coding needed, full commerce and marketing features to run your business online, free trial, no credit card required. So you can see templates from here. So let's go with this. So here you can choose the type of your business and you can choose the topic. So for example, I'm gonna choose online store and the memberships and the courses and the services, and you can choose whatever you want. So eco-friendly and sustainable business is not here, so you can build your own template. So let's go with this. So here you can add your site name, type any name you want for sustainable and eco-friendly products business. So type any name and let's continue. Here you can build your home page. So first here you can choose the intro section, and you can here choose the product section, the services section, and the about section, and the social section, the forms section, and the last is the footer section. So let's continue. Here you can add page to your site. You can choose the color theme, and here you can choose the font. So let's finish this. Now you can wait a few seconds for building the store of your website or your website homepage. So wait a few seconds or a few minutes. So here you can personalize your homepage text faster than ever. You can continue and describe more your business and choose your writing style, and you can skip. I'm gonna skip this. So here you can edit the view. You can make it like a desktop view like this, or like a mobile view. So I'm gonna keep it just like this. Now let's move on to the site styles. So here you can here you find the font styles and the colors, the animations, the spacing in the button, and the image blocks. So first here we have the fonts. You can edit this section of the fonts, the headings, the paragraphs. You can reset the fonts back, and the colors. You can choose you can customize your themes, and the animations. Here you can set the animations style and the spacing. Also here you can edit the page width, and you can edit the margin. You can reset the size to defaults. So that's it. And the image blocks, you can edit the text alignments, the content width, the title separation, the button separation. You can search here for image blocks for something. So that's it. And now let's close this. You can design your home page from here. So you can edit the site header. So click here, edit site header. You can here edit the site title and the logo. So you can change the site title if you don't like it. You can add here your logo image from your library, and you can add the mobile logo image. So that's it. Now let's move on to the elements. Also here you can turn this on, the button, and you can change the text on the label. You can add the link. Here you can turn this on, the social link. You can edit the social links, and also you can edit the social icon size. You can switch the language. You can edit the style icon. and here you can show 0 in cards. So that's it. Now let's move on to the style. So you can edit the dynamic, you can change the theme, gradient or solid, and here you can turn this on, the fixed position. So that's it. If you wanna edit the text, you can edit it from here. Click on it, you can duplicate it or remove it from here. You can edit it from here, you can edit the text form. So that's it. If you wanna edit the section, click here. So you can edit the grid in this section, the fill screen, and the height and the elements, the alignments. Here you can edit the background, the art of the background. You can choose any one of these, and also you can add a video on this background, and you can add an image. So for example, you can select it from your library or from free image. So for example, let's search here on eco-friendly products. So for example, you can choose one of these. So I'm gonna choose this. You can choose whatever you want. This is just for example. So here you can edit the button. Click on it like this. You can change the button type. You can duplicate the section from here, and also you can remove from here. You can edit the text on it. Just click on it like this. You can edit the text. So that's it. If you want to add a block, just click here and you can add a text or image or video or button, whatever you want to add, audio, shape, line, whatever. So that's it. If you want to add something new on your homepage, just click here, add section, and you can select here one of what kind of section you want to add on your homepage as you like. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section. For example, this let's delete this section. You can add an image about eco-friendly and sustainable product business. So first click here, you can select from your library or from free image, and here you can search eco-friendly and sustainable product. So this I'm gonna choose this just for example. You can choose whatever you want. So that's just for example. You can make it bigger. You can add another one here. So that's it. You can drag it and put it at any place. So that's it. Here you can edit the text, you can edit the button label, and you can edit the accordion. Just click on it. You can add item, you can edit the design here, the title and the description. You can turn this on, expand first item, allow multiple open time items. So that's it. After you're done from designing your website, now you can just after you choose the way to get paid and customize your price, now you can just save this and you can publish your homepage website and start start your business. So that's it for today. That's how to customize a website on Squarespace for eco-friendly and sustainable products business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.